Fernandez from Karmana Village Panchayat, ward number 1, and the ex-sarpanch of the Karmana village. There is Lavita, she is the ex-sarpanch. So Vailana, ex-deputy sarpanch, and all from Karmana village. We take one day at a time. We will reach out to the people, we will see what the people wants the best, and that should be catered to the people. This is our motto from the people. So there's no agenda as such that I will do this, I will do that. It's just that we will cater to the needs of the people, and we will be with the people.
Who will be your leader?
That I cannot say.
मॅडम तुमचे निघायचे वर्ड लेडीज आले
पंचायत रिझर्व फॉर लेडी सरपंच.
I do not really. Yes.
मॅडम तुमचे
तुमच्या पॅनल
आणि आम्ही all are independent. Independently we are parties.
तुमचे सरपंच बी गावाचे किती असतात
आम्ही काय डिसाईड करू ना, let all of us get together and do this.
मॅडम तुमचे नाव सांग.
Still time is there.
Your name
Sandra Fernandez from Karmana Panchayat,
ward number
ward number 1.